Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Craig here with Texas Nature Trackers, and I want to tell you about something. When you get outside and you explore the natural world, especially when you go to places that you're not familiar with, there is actually two wonderful apps that you can use that are free to download. One you have to have an account for, so maybe that's one for your parents, and one that's free that anybody can use called Seek. The other one is called iNaturalist, and it is an amazing app. Looks kind of like this on the phone, and I'm going to show you just exactly how it works. What you do is you find a plant like this down here that we don't know what in the world this is. I'm going to actually open up the camera on iNaturalist, and it is going to focus on that plant, and I'm going to take a picture of it real quick. I'm going to use that photograph, and then I'm going to ask, what did you see? And it's going to give us some suggestions about the identification of this plant, and it comes up with the tribe Asteraceae, which I know that it is, and it says camphor daisy. Well, we're going to say that it's camphor daisy. Now remember, these are suggestions, but I'm going to select that. I'm going to look at all the other data, and I'm going to hit share. And as soon as I'm done with that, I've actually got this on my iNaturalist account. It's always going to be there. I've now learned a brand new plant out here at Mustang Island State Park, and now I can go and explore and find other things to add to iNaturalist or Seek. It's a great way to learn about the natural world. So check it out as soon as you can.